What, are you stuck, Hannah?
Looks like you're stuck there. You're going back into the log now. There we go. All right. Yeah.
You're on video.
Okay, right, where am I going?
Just come up.
Where am I supposed to step?
Right here. Right on top.
Okay, we're ready. Oh my gosh!
Just make sure you let go, okay?
I just hold my breath, like plug my nose because I don't know how to breathe. But make sure you
hold. How to breathe underwater.
You need to hold my breath underwater.
Yes.
Yeah, don't breathe on
You
the
need to
water.
hold the handlebars tight, okay?
Yes.
And then
Hang on tight until it goes out to the peak of your.
and let go when you're out there.
Like heartbeat is like.
Let's go for it, girl.
You're awesome. You're gonna do it. And you're gonna want
Take
to
a
do it
little
again.
jump off the rock. There you go. Woo! All the way out.
Let go!
Flip-flops behind you.
Okay, good.
The good thing they float.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Do it. Do it.
This is for Benjamin.
Face clean.
I can't seem to hold on to my flip-flops.
Curl your toes a little.
It looks like you did a belly flop.
Yeah.
Okay, you're on video.
That's my tail.
Make it a
Swing.
make it a good
This one's for Hannah because she won't go.
one. Okay.
Oh, nice!
Nice.
That was a weird plan, but that was.
That was beautiful. Beautiful.
Rachel, thank you.
Go, Val. Go for it. There he goes. Off to write that hit song, Alone in My Principles. Stay high. Go, Christy! Are you holding your shoes? Go, Kelly! Woo! Woohoo! That was beautiful. I think that was the most graceful one.